today I'm going to be making some gummy hands. I'm going to be using some green jello for the incredible Hulk hands and some orange jello and some gelatine and some hot water, and I'm going to be pouring it all into these pink gloves. First, I'm going to pour the hot water into this bowl. Whoa, can you see the steam, guys? That's that. And then I'm going to pour the green jello in there to make it all gummy. And then I'll put the gelatine in there. Look at that. That's one packet. Now for the other jello. And this is going to make it all gummy and gooey. And then for the gelatine. Wow, look at that. Now I'm going to stir it. Looking like a green colour. Now I'm going to pour the gummy mixture into the glove. Then I'll put the glove in the fridge for 3 hours to make my gummy Hulk hands. I'm so excited. Hi everyone, and I'm back with my gummy hands, and they've now been in the fridge for 3 hours. And here's my Hulk hand, and that one is the lime flavour. This one is the orange one, and this is blackberry. And my mum helped me to cut the gloves off with this very special and dangerous tool because it's very dangerous. And here is the orangey red one. Whoa! That one's funny. And look, the green finger fell off when we was cutting the glove off this one. That's funny. And here is the other one. So now I'm going to taste the green finger. This is really good. I'm now going to pick the incredible Hulk hand up. And when I was tasting it, it's a little bit sour, but it's still nice. Whoa! Whoa! 2 more fingers fell off. Ew. Whoa, look, the biggest one fell off. That's so funny. The green one's going to say hello with his one finger. Hello! And the red one is now. Say hello to everyone. Hello! Look, the big finger fell off this one. It only has 4 fingers. Okay, I guess we should taste it then. That tastes pretty good. Go crazy! Woo! Whoa! One of the fingers fell off. Are you okay, Mr. Finger? Let's taste that one. That one's really good. Whoa! Here are all of the lost fingers. The green one's lost nearly all of them. This one's the only one that he has. The Hulk hand's nearly got no fingers left. There's only this one. And these two are going to high five. Hey, yeah! And then these two are going to have a high five and a high one. Whoa! So wobbly! Woo! Whoa! Explosion! Whoa! والثلاث بدأ تملو. Wow! This somebody has the biggest flying! The full thing. Yeah! Pull his head to pieces. I destroyed these gummy hands and I'm gonna destroy them some more. They're so crazy! Hello! This one has 0 fingers. These gummy hands are driving me crazy, but I've got to calm down. And that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed my video. Can you please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. See you guys soon. Bye!